I'm Carmine Gallo, and I'm excited to invite you to join me for a 2-day immersive storytelling and presentation course on the historic Harvard campus. Registration is now open for Presenting with Confidence. It'll be held on March 13th and 14th. Why take the course? Because ideas are the currency of the 21st century. That means you are only as valuable as the ideas you have to share. So let's make sure you present and communicate those ideas as persuasively as possible. We'll talk about storytelling as a presentation tactic. Once you understand the power of story and how to apply it, storytelling will become your competitive advantage. In fact, you'll learn to use communication to your advantage. Sell ideas, build companies, lead teams, and boost your influence in the workplace. I hope to see you there.